Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change Netflix subtitle appearance, customization guide step by step clearly. Open Netflix in a web browser on your computer for the easiest access to all subtitle styling options. Sign in to your Netflix account using the profile that you want to customize. Click your profile icon in the top right corner of the Netflix homepage. Select Account from the drop-down menu to open your account settings page. Scroll to the Profile and Parental Controls section on the account page. Click the specific profile name that you want to edit subtitle settings for. Find and open subtitle appearance in the expanded profile settings. Choose the font style you prefer, such as default, classic, or other available fonts. Set the text size to small, medium, or large depending on your viewing comfort. Pick a subtitle text color that contrasts well with most scenes, like white or yellow. Adjust the background option if you want a solid box behind the text for better readability. Change the background color to something subtle, like black, gray, or transparent. Use the window option if you want a larger shaded area behind subtitles instead of a tight box. Select a window color and transparency level that makes subtitles easier to follow. Enable a drop shadow or outline effect to make the subtitle letters stand out on bright scenes. Choose the shadow type that looks clearest to you, like drop shadow or uniform. Preview the subtitle sample shown on the page to confirm the new look is easy to read. If the preview is hard to read, increase text size or add a darker background. Click Save to apply your subtitle appearance changes to that profile. Open any Netflix show or movie to test subtitles during real playback. Start playback and turn on subtitles using the dialog icon in the player controls. Check subtitles in both bright and dark scenes to confirm visibility is consistent. If you are using a smart TV or streaming device, repeat the test because some devices may display slightly. If the device does not reflect changes immediately, close Netflix completely and reopen it. For mobile users, you can still change subtitle appearance, but the account page in a browser is usually more reliable. Remember that subtitle appearance is saved per profile, so other profiles may need separate customization. If multiple family members use one profile, consider creating separate profiles for personalized subtitle styles. Revisit subtitle appearance anytime to fine-tune settings as your preferences change. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.